If you are looking to elevate your cooking experience and presentation, this Sweejar Ceramic Casserole Dishes set of 3 is a must-have for any modern kitchen. Designed with both aesthetics and practicality in mind, this bakeware set provides versatility for daily meals, festive dinners, or special celebrations. Each rectangular dish features a wave-edge design with sturdy, ergonomic handles, making it easy to transport from oven to table without compromising style or safety. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. These casserole dishes are perfect for lasagnas, baked pasta, roasted vegetables, desserts, and even bread or cakes. The set comes in 3 different sizes, ensuring you have the right dish for every portion and occasion. Whether cooking for yourself, your family, or a large gathering, these dishes meet all your needs while taking up minimal storage space due to their smart stackable design. Durability and performance are at the core of this bakeware. Made from high-quality ceramics that have been calcined at high temperatures, these dishes are both heat-resistant and chip-resistant. They can safely withstand ovens up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, and are microwave-safe, making them versatile for cooking and reheating. Additionally, the lead-free, non-toxic ceramic surface ensures your meals are safe and healthy for everyone, including children. The smooth, non-stick surface of the Sweejar casserole dishes also makes cleaning effortless. Whether you prefer hand washing or using a dishwasher, the glossy finish prevents food residue from sticking and maintains the dish's pristine appearance over time. Unlike other bakeware that becomes dull or scratched, these ceramic dishes stay beautiful, ensuring your table looks as inviting as the food you serve. One of the standout features of this set is the attention to detail in its design. The stylish wave-shaped edges add elegance and charm, making the dishes suitable for both casual meals and sophisticated dinner parties. The handles are thoughtfully crafted to provide a secure grip even with oven mitts, reducing the risk of spills or accidents while serving. Why choose Sweejar Ceramic Bakeware? Unlike many generic ceramic dishes, the Sweejar set is designed with both functionality and style in mind. The unique wave-edge design adds sophistication to your table, while the ergonomic handles ensure safe handling. The set's durability and oven safety make it ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs looking to simplify meal prep without compromising presentation. Additionally, the 3-size assortment provides ultimate flexibility for portion control, batch cooking, or entertaining guests. Use scenarios. Hosting a dinner party? The largest casserole dish can accommodate lasagna or a roasted chicken. The medium dish is perfect for sides or gratins, and the smallest works beautifully for desserts or single servings. For casual family meals, you can use any individual dish to serve pasta, casseroles, or baked vegetables, keeping everything organized and visually appealing. This set is also ideal for meal prep, as each dish can go from oven to fridge or freezer with ease and reheats quickly in the microwave. Practical tips. Preheat oven before placing dishes inside to ensure even cooking. Avoid sudden temperature changes to prevent thermal shock. Use soft sponges and mild detergent to maintain the ceramic surface. Handles provide a secure grip. Always use caution when hot. Stack dishes carefully to protect edges and prevent chipping. Perfect for the Sweejar Ceramic Bakeware Set is ideal for families, home cooks, entertainers, and anyone who appreciates combining style and practicality in their kitchen. It is perfect for those hosting parties, preparing weekly meals, or gifting friends and loved ones something both beautiful and functional. With its versatility and durability, it's a valuable addition to any kitchen, whether you cook daily or occasionally entertain. Final thoughts. In summary, the Sweejar Ceramic Casserole Dishes set of 3 is a thoughtfully designed, high-quality bakeware solution that enhances both your cooking and table presentation. Its elegant wave-edge design, ergonomic handles, and stackable versatility make it ideal for daily use, entertaining, or gifting. With durable, lead-free ceramic that's oven-safe, microwave-safe, and dishwasher-friendly, this set combines style, safety, and convenience in one elegant package. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and upgrade your kitchen with the Sweejar Ceramic Bakeware Set today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.